What's going on, folks? I'm trying to sell this Harley for my boy. It's a 1995 Dyna Wide Glide. Um, it's got 500 miles on the brand new motor. If you come around, you see. Look, guys, it's completely cold. Completely cold. Completely cold. Kiss it. Kiss it. It's cold. We're gonna give it a cold start. Hasn't been started in a little while. So let's give her a start. See how. All right, that was a cold start. Like I said, I'm getting asked a lot of questions, so the best thing to do is make a YouTube video. Um, it's got 500 miles on the dyno motor. She she's still nice and cold, but heating up pretty quick. Oh yeah, she got hot quick. She warms up real nice. She's firing on all cylinders. Um, the price is a little bit negotiable, but not much. Um, you could check out the ad on on Facebook, I believe, Facebook Marketplace. Um, I'm available 5 to 8 p.m. during the week. I'm available when you're available on the weekends. I'm not going to sit here like a bird in a nest waiting for you to show up. If you set a time with me, I will be available. Um, yeah, the bike is for sale. She's a beast. So, uh, like, share, subscribe, check it out, and let me know if you got any questions. Have a good day.